Now it is. That's a zoom there. Alright. First of all, slide the pin up. And we'll just lay it out just in order that it goes back on. Good shot, everything laid out too. You want to pay close attention to the assembly of it, because later the parts won't be laid out in order like that. They'll all be in a pile and you have to take them out. Get a shot of our dot up here to show them what we'll be lining up to. Everything that goes on will be lined up to this mark right here so that our pin will go back in. Take the coat hanger first. We'll use it instead of the pin, because the pin won't go in until everything's together because of the knots right there to keep it from falling out. Come down. The lock ring has to twist in order for the pin or the coat hanger to slide through. You got another mark down here for you. Be sure the slider clutch, the one that's missing the key here, make sure it lines up with our mark. Now this one here has got the extra piece in it. You got to be sure it lines up once it's slid on. Slide it down. You may have to reach down in like this right here to kind of hold it. To get it twisted into place where the pin will slide through. Again, be sure the slider clutch is lined up to the dot up here, or the white mark rather. Once it's all the way together, carefully take your pin, line it up with the mark with the tab sticking out here, and slide down. And what you're going to do is, as you pull the coat hanger out, slide the pin in. And if it gets hung, only lightly tap it here. Until it's all the way down. To test the operation of it, this one should be free, this one should be locked. When the slider clutch is in the middle, they should both be free. Slider clutch should slide up and lock that one in. Now this one's free. This one should be free. That one's locked. Slider clutch in the middle, they're both free. Slider clutch up, that one's locked, and that one's free. This one here would get a slider clutch from the bottom to lock it in.